All right, now let's go back to our Iron Condor. We already confirmed that our strike prices are pretty good strike prices, seeing that the chart confirms where the price movement has been historically. So we should be confident with our Iron Condor now. Now we're going to execute this trade. So we're going to go to the open area. We're going to right click on it. We're going to hit confirm and send. And this brings up the order confirmation. And we can look at this and see what our profit is going to be. Our max profit is going to be $280. Our max loss is 720. And when it is some dividend risk, but not a lot. So this is going to tie up $720 of our money, but we can pull in 280. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. And based on the market, it may take a while for it to get filled. So I'll just go ahead and send it. And if you want to change it, if your order just sits there a while, you can actually hit edit and change your order to market, and that will execute it immediately. So just keep that in mind. And I'm gonna, since my price is at 28 right now, the market is changing, trading at 25 and 27. I'm gonna do market because 28 is not that far between 25 and 26, and plus we're learning, and this gives you an idea. So we're gonna hit confirm and send. Actually, if I put it back to limit, it's at 28. So if I put it to, all right, so now the market is coming up. So it's at 28. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it a limit, hit confirm and send. And if you go to monitor, you're gonna see working orders. This is working on that order I just put in right there. It may take a while. Once it gets through, it's gonna go down to the position statement, the equities and options right here. And this is the Iron Condor on the Qs. So right now I've got a positive of 70. And I just put these positions on this week, so that's plenty of room. And when you go to analyze trade, you can bring up all your trades by pulling this down, hitting your positions tab, and just highlighting and seeing where your positions are. These are all the positions I have right now, and they're starting to be positive. It's starting to show um, profit. Right here is $36 right here, profit. And this has only been 4 days. Here's SPY showing profit, $31. Diamonds is showing a little bit. It's about $8 profit. Apple, I put this on yesterday, so it's not showing me any profit yet. It's showing me a negative 36 right now. And I just put it on yesterday, so it has time to go. And and these expire the 15th. So my Iron Condor captures probability pretty good on that one. So now it's just a waiting game, and that order still hasn't sent. You can, if it doesn't go through, you can right click on it, cancel and replace order. Right now it's at 27. I'm just gonna change it to a market. Actually, let's change it to 27 and see, and keep it limit, change it to 27 and see if it'll go through. Confirm and send. And it got filled. Yep, it went through. So there's no more working orders. It got filled at the 27. So it's a penny. I went down a penny. So that's an idea of setting up your Iron Condor, checking the strike prices, making sure your option is solid. And now all you do is every day you want to come in, log into your Thinkorswim, go to the analyze, and then just scroll through your trades and see where they're at. So Qs, if you notice the Qs, I got two orders of Qs. I got December and a November, and you have to uncheck the ones that separate them, so you know. So this is the December. These are the ones I just put in. Alrighty, that's how you get it going. Let me know if you have any questions.